Hello, nice to be here with you. I have amazing things to share. Let's just jump right in. Question for you, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever lacked for people? For example, if they feel bad, you also feel bad. Acknowledging their distress is more than enough. Don't let the suffering people break your awareness power. Yes, awareness needs to have positive energies, including when it comes down to feeling emotions. Negative emotions impact your attraction energy. Sympathy is more than sufficient. Next topic. When someone apologizes to me, don't try to recall the reason for the apology. You already forgave them even before they asked for it. You do not wish to carry the baggage of unforgiveness. Don't dig deep into recalling the reasons for the recollection of the negative occurrence. Everything is fine as it is and in the present. Nothing needs correction. Let's return on the word reactions. I know that I spoke about this in my past videos. Reactions are based on bad and good expectations, made up real stories. For example, a negative expectation can be expecting an anonymous lady getting happy when a woman slaps her partner. They see the couple as lacking sex, lacking harmony out of an unintentional insecurity due to their own past partners, ex-boyfriends, poor experiences. Remember, it is a good to point out that anger is not a good reaction. I understand the annoyance your current brain faces. It's all about letting go. Forgetting is key towards the attainment of peace. Often people fear Alzheimer's and practical continual recall. Yeah, so they hate Alzheimer's, but also the continual recall. So from books and ebooks, lectures, people try to keep their memory sharp. And it's a fear for people forgetting, and they see it as a defect. Then why do people suffer at bedtime with the pressure as a consequence of having a sharp memory? They're recalling all the worries, all their annoyances during their day, and so on. And I admire monks who meditate and attain awareness by blanking their mind than a student expecting to remember everything their studies and practically everything that their studies entailed them to do so. The side effect of continual recall, according to my many faiths, is the inability to be aware, meditative, and thus worry-free. I hope you gained more awareness today with me. That's it. That's all for you today, my dear future saints. And I had a good blast with you. I always enjoy making my videos for you. And bye-bye.